So in this video, you'll learn how to use your Huawei Band 10 to control music on your phone. So for me, I'm using YouTube Music, but these instructions will apply to any other music app that you currently have installed on your phone. So as you can see, I currently have this song playing, but if I want to use my band to either to control the volume or change and play the next song or the previous song, then this is all I need to do. So I can start by navigating to the music app. So I can choose to do this by swiping right, like this, and then selecting the music here. Or I can just go directly to the music app by opening the apps drawer, looking for music, and then selecting it. Once you've done that, you'll then be brought to this music menu, and you have all sorts of controls you can use to adjust the music. So if I ever want to increase the volume of the music, I have this volume buttons here, where I can just tap to increase the volume. And you'll notice as I'm tapping, you can also see on the phone, the volume is also being increased. And I can do the same thing for reducing volume. Just tap on the minus option and the volume will be reduced on my phone as well. You can also choose to use this to play and pause the music. So currently the music is paused, but if I want to play it, I'll just tap on this play button like this. And then you can see the music is now being played on my phone. If I want to pause it, just tap on this pause button and the music will be paused. If I want to play the next song, I'll just tap on next on my band like this, and then it will switch to the next song that's currently coming up in my playlist. If I want to switch to the previous song, I just tap on previous, and then it will take me back to the previous song in my playlist. So you can see it's now switched back to the previous song. So it's completely up to you to decide how you want to use your Huawei Band 10 to control the music that's currently playing on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.